Okay guys, we're going to do a little shooting here with my Glock 26. You can see here, as compared to the M&P, that is what we use whenever we shoot at work. The Glock has a much shorter sight radius than what the M&P does. Much shorter pistol. Now I do have the grip extension on that. It has a Glock 19 magazine, and I put that little extension on there so that I could get a full hand grip on this gun. It does have night sights. Those are made from, I do believe those are True Glow Pro Series sights. So it is a little bit more difficult to hit with that shorter sight radius than what it was with the M&P. But we're going to go here and we're going to do a little bit of shooting here and see what we can do with the Glock. Let's put a round in the chamber. And let's see if we can't do some bowling. And let's see if we can do some painting maybe. And a spinner. Okay. And let's see, let's check out the two newest targets here. And maybe finish up here with a bowling pin. And maybe another bowling pin. And that's it. So as you can see that the Glock, even though it's got that shorter sight radius, it is quite up to the task. As long as you do your part, that gun is just as capable as that M&P is shooting just as accurate. It's just a little bit harder for you to hold it steady.